Have you ever imagined setting off on an amazing road trip in a camper van that's actually smaller than most city cars? It might sound unbelievable, but Japan's incredible KEI camper vans are making it a reality. These tiny campers are thoughtfully designed to include cozy sleeping areas, practical kitchens, smart storage, and everything you need for life on the road. They're easy to drive, incredibly fuel efficient, and perfect for exploring hidden destinations that larger RVs simply can't reach. In today's video, we'll take a closer look at some of the most impressive Japanese KEI campers, each showcasing creative engineering and clever design. Be sure to watch until the end. You might just discover that the smallest camper offers the biggest adventure of them all. Field Life Vita. The Field Life Vita is a premium Japanese KEI camper built on the Daihatsu Atrai, offering remarkable comfort in a compact footprint. Its pop-up roof provides generous headroom, while the convertible dinette and roof bed accommodate up to 3 people. Inside, you'll find a side sofa, removable table, 10-liter freshwater tank, 13-liter underfloor waste tank, sink with pull-out shower faucet, LED lighting, USB charging ports, and practical storage throughout. Despite its tiny size, the Vita delivers spacious living, smart functionality, and everyday drivability, making it an ideal mini camper for weekend adventures and extended road trips. MYS Mystic Mini Pop B. The MYS Mystic Mini Pop B is a cleverly engineered Japanese KEI camper based on the Daihatsu Hijet truck, proving that compact dimensions can still deliver a comfortable camping experience. Its signature pop-up roof provides standing room, while the flexible cabin converts into sleeping space for up to 4 people. Features include a compact sink, fresh and waste water tanks, sub-battery, Webasto FF heater, ventilation fan, LED lighting, storage compartments, and a full flat bed. The Mini Pop B combines lightweight practicality, fuel efficiency, and smart space utilization, making it ideal for adventurous travelers. White House Campers N Van Compo. The White House Campers N Van Compo transforms the Honda N Van into a versatile mini camper that proves compact vehicles can deliver impressive camping comfort. Its modular interior features a fold-flat bed, removable furniture, a compact table, ample storage compartments, and flexible seating that adapts for everyday driving or overnight adventures. The lightweight camper conversion preserves the N Van's practicality while maximizing interior space for 2 occupants. Optional equipment includes a portable power supply, refrigerator, curtains, and camping accessories to suit different travel styles. Designed for urban mobility and weekend escapes, the N Van Compo offers an efficient, easy-to-drive camping solution with Japan's signature space-saving engineering and craftsmanship. Honda N-Box Joy. The Honda N-Box Joy is a versatile Japanese KEI vehicle designed for drivers who want everyday practicality with outdoor-ready comfort. Built on Honda's spacious N-Box platform, it features water-repellent upholstery, a flat-folding rear seat that creates a relaxing lounge or sleeping space, wide-opening sliding doors for easy access, and numerous storage compartments throughout the cabin. Advanced Honda sensing safety technologies, excellent fuel efficiency, and a compact footprint make it ideal for city driving and weekend adventures alike. While not a factory camper, the N-Box Joy provides a flexible interior that serves as an excellent foundation for lightweight camping and road trips. K-Works Exclusive Minibird. The K-Works Exclusive Minibird is a compact Japanese K-camper designed to maximize comfort within a remarkably small footprint. Built on a K-van platform, it features a convertible full-flat bed, practical dining table, overhead storage cabinets, LED interior lighting, curtains for privacy, and efficient insulation for year-round travel. The thoughtfully arranged cabin offers comfortable seating by day and a cozy sleeping area at night, making it ideal for 2 travelers. Optional upgrades include a sub-battery system, refrigerator, inverter, and auxiliary charging equipment. The exclusive Minibird combines everyday drivability with smart camper functionality for weekend escapes and extended touring. Nuts RV Spinach. The Nuts RV Spinach is a compact Japanese KEI camper that transforms a small van into a practical home on wheels. Designed for efficient travel, it features a convertible flatbed, flexible seating and dining area, overhead storage, cabinets, LED interior lighting, curtains for privacy, and multiple storage compartments to maximize every inch of space. Its lightweight design makes it easy to drive and park while maintaining impressive interior usability. Optional equipment includes a sub-battery system, portable refrigerator, inverter, and charging outlets, making the Spinach an ideal choice for weekend camping, road trips, and everyday versatility. Tech Lunetta PZ. The Tech Lunetta PZ is a thoughtfully designed Japanese KEI camper that delivers impressive functionality in a compact package. Built on a K-van platform, it features a convertible sleeping area, flexible seating with a removable table, overhead storage, LED interior lighting, curtains, and well-organized cabinets for camping essentials. Its efficient layout maximizes living space while maintaining the maneuverability and fuel economy of a small vehicle. Optional equipment includes a sub-battery system, refrigerator, inverter, USB charging ports, and additional camping accessories. The Lunetta PZ is ideal for couples or solo travelers seeking comfortable, everyday adventure in a tiny camper. Rakuneru Lili. The Rakuneru Lili is a compact Japanese KEI camper designed to make camping simple, comfortable, and practical. Based on a K-van platform, it features a convertible flatbed, flexible seating, a removable table, overhead storage, privacy curtains, LED interior lighting, and cleverly arranged compartments that maximize every inch of available space. Its lightweight construction preserves excellent fuel efficiency and easy maneuverability, making it ideal for both city driving and weekend adventures. Optional upgrades include a sub-battery system, USB charging ports, portable refrigerator, and additional camping equipment, giving travelers a comfortable and versatile mini-camper for everyday exploration. Oka Atrai SV. The Oka Atrai SV is a compact Japanese KEI camper based on the Daihatsu Atrai, offering an efficient blend of everyday usability and camping comfort. Its thoughtfully designed interior includes a convertible full flat bed, flexible seating, removable table, practical storage cabinets, overhead shelves, LED interior lighting, and privacy curtains. The spacious layout makes excellent use of the K-van's compact dimensions while maintaining easy drivability and fuel efficiency. Optional equipment includes a sub-battery system, USB charging ports, refrigerator, inverter, and camping accessories. The Atrai SV is an ideal mini-camper for solo travelers, couples, and weekend adventures across Japan. Honda N-Van E. The Honda N-Van E is Honda's all-electric KEI van designed to combine zero-emission driving with exceptional practicality. Its low, flat floor and wide-opening sliding doors create a spacious cargo area that also serves as an excellent foundation for lightweight camping. The flexible interior features fold-flat seats, numerous storage compartments, multiple power outlets, and support for vehicle-to-home (V2H) and vehicle-to-load (V2L) power functions, allowing the van to supply electricity for outdoor equipment. Quiet operation, compact dimensions, and Honda's advanced safety technologies make the N-Van E an ideal choice for eco-friendly road trips and everyday adventures. Field Life Balocco. The Field Life Balocco is a compact Japanese KEI camper designed to provide impressive comfort and practicality in a city-friendly package. Built on a K-van platform, it features a convertible full flat bed, flexible seating with a removable table, overhead storage cabinets, LED interior lighting, privacy curtains, and a compact kitchenette with a sink. Its efficient layout maximizes every inch of interior space while remaining easy to drive and park. Optional equipment includes a sub-battery system, refrigerator, inverter, fresh water tank, and additional camping accessories, making the Balocco an ideal mini-camper for couples, solo travelers, and weekend adventures. Chantarou Daihatsu Hijet. The Chantarou, based on the Daihatsu Hijet, is a compact Japanese KEI camper designed to make the most of its small footprint. Its thoughtfully crafted interior includes a convertible sleeping area, practical storage compartments, a compact table, and comfortable seating for everyday travel and weekend camping. Large windows provide excellent visibility and natural light, creating an open feel inside the cabin. Built with lightweight materials and efficient space planning, the Chantarou combines the Hijet's maneuverability and fuel efficiency with functional camping features, proving that even a tiny van can deliver an enjoyable outdoor adventure. Specifications and equipment vary by model and configuration. Tin Can Suzuki Super Carry. The Tin Can Suzuki Super Carry proves that a tiny KEI van can become a surprisingly capable camper. Built on the compact Suzuki Super Carry platform, this clever conversion features a fold-out bed, compact storage, simple cooking space, and efficient use of every inch for comfortable weekend adventures. Its lightweight design, excellent maneuverability, and fuel-efficient engine make it ideal for narrow roads and spontaneous camping trips. Despite its miniature footprint, the camper offers practical functionality for solo travelers or couples, showing that smart design matters more than size. Specifications and features vary depending on the conversion and original Suzuki Super Carry model. YUMENOKABAN Danny. The YUMENOKABAN Danny is a cleverly designed Japanese KEI camper that transforms a compact K-van into a practical micro-home for travel. Its handcrafted interior maximizes every centimeter with a convertible bed, integrated storage, compact table, and warm wood finishes that create a cozy atmosphere. Large windows improve ventilation and natural light, while the flexible layout supports comfortable sleeping and relaxing on the road. Designed for easy everyday driving, as well as weekend adventures, the Danny demonstrates how thoughtful craftsmanship and efficient space planning can deliver an enjoyable camping experience despite its tiny footprint. Features may vary by vehicle specification and build configuration,